Choppers roll one here. Well, look at that. One seat, two seats. The seats are done. Done, diddly done deal. And I now have two drink holders. I have another one drink holder there, one drink holder there, and they work great. They also swivel, which isn't too bad. You can move them, so that's fine. If we get into somewhere where you need to move your drink, that's all great. Alrighty, now we'll check this out. There we go. Check that out. Two seats. Obviously that's my seat because I'm a bit bigger. That's Anthony's seat. Both very comfortable. He's happy as pig in mud. I got shelvings in mine, guys. Look, I got shelving in mine. Right in there. Now, there is a reason for my shelving. I was going to put a sink in there, but I decided against that idea. I'm going to put a water tank underneath there, run a hose out from under here, up onto the back of the handlebars here, and just have a simple 12-volt pump. We'll squirt water out. We can wash your hands. Done deal. Just on and off switch. So the idea of having that shelf in there is I'm going to put a rod holder in there, and I can stick my tackle box in there if I want. I'm going to do the same to Anthony's, but I just run out of materials. So there we go, guys. They fit in there really well. I'll put them back in and give you another look. So there we go, guys. All back in there. Mine's got to sit up front because that's just one was made first, so that's just the way it is. And Anthony's goes at the back, but it makes life easier to get mine out first because I have a gap under there where he doesn't, so it's easy to get mine out first and get his off, and we're all good. But that's the idea. Put the water tank underneath, little toggle switch up there, on and off toggle switch. Turn it on, water comes out, we can wash your hands, and we're done and dusted. I don't have to carry trays and messy other crappy bits, so I can just wash your hands on the dirt with just plain old tap water. So that'll work great. Alright guys, bye for now.